Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert LibreOffice Draw your file to PDF. So let's get straight into it. We have two options. So first one is go to the file and then select export as and export as PDF. You will see here a bunch of options. Now you can adjust settings under the General, Initial View, User Interface, Links, and Security tab. You also have Digital Signature, but let's go with this General. Here we can set up range, images, the quality, Initial View, and so on, but 90% of the time you don't need to change this initial view user interface, just here general if you have some pictures. And also the good option for resolution, image resolution is 300 dpi or above. So yeah, this is for high quality. And this is the one way that you can export in PDF. Now, the second option is print to PDF, basically. So we can open up this if we go here to File and Print, or you can use Control P. It will open the same window. Right here, you can select here printer. So you can select basically the printer, or you can select Microsoft Print to PDF. Then you have here range and copies, page layout, and when you are ready with that, just hit print and save where you want this file, where you want this PDF saved. So this is basically it, how you can export to PDF. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.